Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. March is Irish American Heritage Month, and to celebrate, our video will feature an Irish favorite. This month's cookbook highlight is Irish Puddings, Tarts, Crumbles, and Fools by Margaret M. Johnson, available as an ebook. Today's recipe is a simple Pear Crisp. Now for our ingredients. For the topping, you will need all-purpose flour, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, hazelnuts, and unsalted butter. For the filling, you will need pears, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. Step 1. In a small bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, both of your sugars, and the chopped hazelnuts. Then stir in the butter and set aside. Step 2. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and butter a 9-inch pie plate. Step 3. Starting in the center of the pie plate, arrange the pears in a concentric circle around the plate. Sprinkle with the cinnamon and nutmeg. Step 4. Continue to layer the pears, sprinkling each layer with the cinnamon and nutmeg. Here's a tip. Use a small sieve to evenly distribute the cinnamon and nutmeg over the pears in between each layer. Step 5. Spoon the topping mixture we set aside earlier over the pears as evenly as possible. Step 6. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes or until the topping is crisp and the pears are tender. Step 7. Carefully remove from the oven and let cool on a wire rack for 5 minutes. Step 8. Cut into slices and serve warm. To save, let crisp cool completely and refrigerate covered. Now all that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.